it's your girl Amber and I'm back with another video. I know you guys been requesting hair videos, but when my hair is silk pressed or straightened, there's not much hair videos to do. But today I'm going to do a half up, half down hairstyle. And this is going to be the last hairstyle before I wash my hair and revert back to curly, which is like long overdue. I miss my curls and yeah. So let's get straight into this hairstyle. But first I need to take out these braids in the front because I don't need that for this hairstyle. I'm just gonna sleek it up. So I'm just taking out the beads. I look crazy. Like the top portion of my hair is crimped and then the back portion is just like straight. Okay guys, so okay, now I need to part my hair in half. Okay guys, so I parted it as best as I could. So like kind of in the middle. So let me just comb this up. In the direction that I want it to go. My roots are not as straight anymore, which is why I need to wash my hair because I'm not gonna apply heat again. Okay guys, I'm gonna twist the ends so it's not in my way. Okay, don't mind how I look. I know I look crazy. So I'm just gonna comb the edges to make sure that it's smooth. You guys can see how much my hair has grown since I've dyed it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my edge control. This one is my go-to. So I'm just gonna take my finger and just work it along my edge. Okay, after I apply the edge control, I'm just gonna comb it in. I'm gonna comb it and then follow through with my fingers. Okay guys, and then next I'm going to take a brush. This one's kind of the skinnier one. And I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray and I'm going to spray it on the brush. Okay guys, now I'm going to take my scrunchie, and these ones do not break. Okay, as you guys can see, the top part of my hair is more puffy than the bottom part. So I might have to braid the bottom part in order to give it the same look. So let's do that.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love
Okay guys, this is actually the next day. So now I'm gonna take out the braids and see how they look. I'm kind of scared, but let's see. Okay guys, this is the bottom half and there's like semi-crimped. If I left the braids in for longer, then it would be more defined, but I want to take pictures today, so. Some parts are straight, but it's not that noticeable. Like I just had to like blend it in. Let me take this off. Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me know in the comments below what you think. It's just like a quick style. And this is all my natural hair, no weave or anything. So now I'm gonna go take some pictures. Make sure you follow my Instagram, xoambi_. I just hit 2K followers. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Bye, y'all.